Hello students, today we will be performing the soundness test of the cement. For that we have to add water into the cement paste as 0.78p. 0.78p means what? P is the consistency limit of the cement that we have already calculated, that is 32%. So its 0.78 will comes out to be 24.96%. So we can take it as a 25%. Then if I take the sample as 100 grams of cement, then I have to add the 25 ml of water. So here is the apparatus which is used for to calculate the soundness test. So we have to use Leach Atlas apparatus. This is the Leach Atlas apparatus that we are using for to calculate the soundness test. These are the non-porous plates, and this is the weight. These are the two non-porous plates we have to use. The first of all, I will tell you the procedure of this experiment. First of all, we have to take the cement sample, and in that we have to add water at 7.78 p. Means here in this case, if I take the 100 grams of cement, then I am going to add 25 ml of water in that. Then after that I will make the paste, and that paste I am going to fill in this leach apparatus. Okay, so these are the two needles, pointed needles. We have to take the difference between, or we have to take, or we have to measure the distance between these pointers. Okay, that I will tell you later on, means during the experiment itself. Now we have to fill that sample, means we have to fill that paste into this leach apparatus. Okay, after that we have to place this non-porous plates above that, and then this weight is placed so that plates will not move. Then this whole assembly we have to place under the water for 24 hours. After 24 hours we have to take out this assembly, and then we have to measure the distance between these pointers. We have to measure the distance between these pointers. That is nothing but our initial reading or initial pointer reading. Okay, then this assembly we have to keep under the oven for 110 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. Means at boiling temperature we have to keep this that assembly under the oven for 3 hours. Then we have to take out that assembly from the oven, and then we have to allow it for cool. We have to allow it for cool for at say for room temperature, and then we have to again measure the distance between these pointers. Then again we have to measure the distance between these two pointers. Now the initial reading with us already, then the difference between that initial reading and final reading should not be greater than 10 mm. If it is greater than 10 mm, then we can call it as a cement is unsound cement, and if it is less than 10 mm, then we can call it as a sound cement as per Indian standard or IS criteria. Now we'll see the procedure. I have told you the procedure. Now we'll weigh the, or we'll take the weight of cement first of all. So you will be seeing here 100 grams of cement I have taken. Now I have taken the 25 ml of water, as it comes out to be 25%. Now I will make the paste of that. Now he is adding the water into the cement to make the paste, and after making the paste he will fill that paste into the leach apparatus. Now he is filling the paste. Now he is placing that whole assembly under the water for 24 hours. Now he is taking out that sample or that whole assembly after 24 hours. Now he is measuring the distance between that point needles. I think it is about 7 mm. Now we are going to keeping the sample in the oven for 3 hours at boiling temperature. Now we are going to keep the whole assembly under the oven for boiling temperature for 3 hours. Now we are removing the sample after 3 hours. Now after at room temperature, we are removing that sample and we are again measuring the distance between that pointers. Now the initial reading and final reading, the difference should not be greater than 10 mm. Now I think it has been coming, earlier it was 7 mm and now it is 9 mm. So the difference is less than 10 mm, hence we can say that this cement is sound. As per IS criteria, the cement is sound.